Samsung A33 5G, Samsung's mid-range premium phones, as they call it, because it packs an AMOLED, the battery is good, the camera seemingly good. I mean, it packs features that other mid-range phones don't have, so we call them a little bit of premium. The build is plastic frame and a plastic back with the camera bump kind of coming out as a plateau. The A33 is a model that was produced about 3 years ago, towards the end of 2022, and it's a phone that many people would still buy in this present day. Many retailers still sell it. It's a little bit thick. I mean, the frame is about 8.1 millimeters. This one does not support a dual SIM system, so it's more like a single SIM, a nano SIM. Some models would come with a dual SIM, but the model I do have here is actually a single SIM. This one actually packs an IP67 rating of water resistance. You can actually dip this in the water, no problem here. But now the display is great. It's a 1080p 6.4 inch AMOLED display. With that small size, it means the PPI, the pixel density, is a little high at about 411, which makes the display quite crispier and quite clearer. So the display is great. I mean, this one actually supports a front fingerprint scanner, so you can unlock your phone with a front optical fingerprint scanner, which makes it more premium, because then many premium phones, many flagships tend to have their fingerprints in the front display. So this one was launched with Android 12, and it is to receive 4 years of Android update. So it should be going up to Android 16, which I think the update should be coming on. Should already be on for this one, but there are a lot of Samsung phones, so probably they're rolling on updates slowly. But software-wise, you get this one. It was produced 3 years ago, and yet you are still able to run Android 16. You're still able to run One UI 8.0. So this is being run by Exynos chipset 1280, and the service in terms of performance won't be as great, considering that it's a little old, but believe me, you barely would notice the difference, especially if you compare this to latest mid-range. The storage or the memory setup also starts at 4GB RAM, 6GB to 8GB, and it also starts from 128 to 256, so you can get multiple options as you want. You can get a 4GB 128, you can get a 8GB 256, and the pricing of it is not as much, considering that it was released a couple of years ago. So this device still packs very good features, and the camera, with the main lens actually being a 48 megapixel sensor, which also has OIS. The OIS is actually good for video. It stabilizes your video, especially when you're moving or when there's some shakes, so the video comes out more stabilized. I mean, it's not as aggressive in stabilization as the high-end premiums, but it does better than, the low-end mid-ranges. There is an 8 megapixel ultra-wide and a 5 megapixel macro, and another lens there for depth. Coming to the front camera, it's a 13 megapixel sensor that will also shoot good, selfies, and good is a comparative word. So as long as you're not comparing this to some high-end flagship, then it's great, it's good. I mean, who would know? And the good thing about this phone is actually that it can shoot 4K of resolution of video quality. It can shoot up to 4K, and while the display is actually at 1080p, so you probably wouldn't know what a 4K looks like until probably you put it in a device that can actually view 4K. But yes, the phone can shoot 4K, so you can shoot 4K, edit it, post it in YouTube. People with 4K screens will probably see it on their TVs and on their. Finally, the phone packs a 5000 milliampere battery. That is great too. You use it for your day, as long as you're not, heavy lifting and doing a lot of, screen time activities. For normal usage, the battery easily lasts you a day plus, and then it charges at 25 watt fast charging, So if you pair it also with the right Samsung adapter, then your life is sorted and your device would be great. Just keep your devices safe. In terms of repair, I mean, I think I've repaired a lot of A20 something, A30 something, A50 something, a lot of them. Most of them have charging problems, most of them have battery problems, and some of them are water damaged, and some are broken in their screen. And also, this being an AMOLED, you really want to take care of your phone if you're using these kind of things, because the screen is expensive being an AMOLED. I mean, if you break it, we probably would give you an option to give you the copy screen, but I don't know if anyone wants that. You want to be able to use your fingerprint display, you want to be able to use the high resolution, and so you just want to keep them safe. You don't want to keep them near liquids, you don't want to drop them. Probably put a screen protector, like this one already has one screen protector, and you probably want to put on a cover on them to make the device, more durable. And if you're planning to buy this phone, just know that it's a great phone and it will serve you well. You take some good photos, you take some nice videos, and your screen viewing will be great. Otherwise, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, because there is a lot more coming about Bitech Hub. We are writing the code right from the raw system software, and we're building it up, and I'd like you to see that for when it comes up in a few months' time. So subscribe and stay informed. I am Benjamin, and this is Bitech Hub.